This content is intended for educational purposes only. Unauthorized use of these techniques is illegal. Please act responsibly.
Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into how hackers can secretly use your device to mine cryptocurrency. All it takes is a single click on the wrong link. And the worst part, you won't even know it's happening. This video is strictly for educational and awareness purposes only, to help you understand how cryptojacking works, what it looks like, and most importantly, how to protect yourself from becoming a victim. Stick with me till the end, because I'll break down real-world examples, the tools hackers use, and the steps you can take to stay safe online. Now, let's get started. And that's how this technique works. It's called a cryptojacking attack, a method where hackers secretly hijack your device's processing power to mine cryptocurrency. You don't have to download anything. You don't have to install malware. In most cases, you won't even know it's happening. All it takes is one click on a malicious link, or just visiting an infected website. A hidden JavaScript or mining script gets injected and starts running silently in the background. Your device slows down. It overheats. The battery drains faster. Your CPU is being abused, not for your benefit, but to mine coins for someone else. Hackers love this method because it's low risk and high reward. They don't need to steal your data. They steal your system's power instead. Before we end this video, let me make this clear. This video is for educational purposes only. Hacking or accessing any device, system, or network without clear permission is illegal and considered a criminal offense under cybersecurity laws. The mobile device used in this demonstration belongs to me. I have full access to it, and the entire process was carried out in a controlled and isolated environment. No real devices were hacked, and no laws were broken during the making of this video. This content is meant to raise awareness and help viewers understand how modern attacks like cryptojacking actually work, so you can better protect yourself and others.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay ahead in cybersecurity. Check out more videos here to keep your knowledge sharp.